Ever stared at your GrabPay balance, wondering how much you can actually withdraw? You know, those juicy rewards points, that cashback you've been diligently collecting, can you really cash it all in? Let's dive deep and uncover the truth. GrabPay. It's become a staple in Southeast Asia, simplifying our lives with seamless mobile payments. But what about those hard-earned points and that growing cash balance? Can you withdraw every single cent? Is there a limit? And how do you even go about doing it? These are the burning questions we'll be answering today. Firstly, the good news. You can absolutely cash in your GrabPay balance. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Cash limits. Most countries have daily and weekly cash withdrawal limits. These limits are in place to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your funds. Withdrawal methods. The most common methods are over-the-counter cash withdrawals. You can typically withdraw cash at designated outlets like convenience stores or partner banks. Bank transfers. Funds can be transferred directly to your linked bank account. E-wallets. You might be able to transfer funds to other e-wallets depending on your region and the specific e-wallet provider. For example, in Singapore, you might have a daily cash withdrawal limit of SGD 1,000. In the Philippines, it could be PHP 50,000 per day. These limits can vary depending on your GrabPay account tier and your overall transaction history. Now, let's talk about fees. Some withdrawal methods might incur fees. Over-the-counter withdrawals. Convenience stores might charge a small fee for cashing out your GrabPay balance. Bank transfers. Bank transfer fees can vary depending on your bank. E-wallet transfers. Fees may apply depending on the receiving e-wallet. Always check the GrabPay app or website for the most up-to-date information on fees and withdrawal limits in your specific region. Verification. You may need to verify your identity by submitting documents like your ID card or passport to withdraw larger amounts or to use certain withdrawal methods. Security. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing attempts. So, there you have it. Now you know how much you can cash in from your GrabPay balance. Remember to always check the latest terms and conditions and familiarize yourself with the withdrawal limits and fees in your country. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.